Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies gingerbread easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, gather flour, brown sugar, ginger, cinnamon, baking soda, butter, eggs, and molasses. Cream butter and sugar, add eggs, then mix dry ingredients slowly until combined. Chill dough for 30 minutes, roll to 1/4-inch cut shapes, and bake on parchment until edges are set. Cool before decorating for best texture and flavor. Start by creaming butter with brown sugar until light and fluffy, then beat in eggs and molasses for richness. Whisk flour, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda in a separate bowl to avoid lumps. Combine wet and dry gently to form a smooth dough without overmixing. Wrap the dough and chill for about 30 minutes so it firms up, which makes rolling and cutting shapes much easier and cleaner. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making cozy baking videos. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my little hack for fresh rides after cookie runs, and it pairs surprisingly well with warm gingerbread smells when you head out. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Lightly flour your surface and roll chilled dough to 1/4-inch thickness for even baking. Cut shapes and transfer them 2 inches apart to a parchment-lined sheet to prevent sticking. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are set, but centers remain slightly soft. Let cookies cool on the sheet briefly, then move to a rack to finish cooling before decorating so they hold their shape nicely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.